So I'm going to tell you all about the birds. So birds are all covered in feathers. So even our penguin here, he's got tiny little feathers. This one here is off one of our ostriches, so it fell off one of our ostriches. Now I've got a question for you at home. Do you think all birds fly? Have a little think. Well, if you said no, then you are absolutely right. Not all birds fly. So the penguin here doesn't fly, he swims instead. And our lovely ostriches, they don't fly, but they are very good at running. So their feathers, they would use those for a different thing. They're not flying feathers. They use them to keep themselves nice and warm, and they'll also hold their wings out to the side really big to scare other animals away. So that's what they do with their feathers. Now there's something else that they would like to keep warm as well. So all birds lay eggs. Now I've got here an ostrich egg. So this here is an ostrich egg. Now this is a real ostrich egg that was laid by one of our ostriches out on the safari. There's nothing left in it anymore. Some eggs have got babies in and some eggs haven't. And this one, it didn't have any babies in it. Now, if you have a little look, you'll see that the egg is shiny. So it's naturally shiny to reflect the sunlight. So if there was a baby inside, it wouldn't get too hot. And if you look really closely, you'll be able to see some tiny little holes. And those are little air holes for the baby to breathe. Now have a little think, how do you think the baby would get out of this egg? If I give it a little tap, you might be able to sort of hear how strong it is. So it's super strong. How would a baby get out of here? Now, lots of people think it would be with their nice big beaks, and most of the birds do use their beaks to get out of the eggs. But this is so strong, a baby ostrich would actually have to give it a karate kick to fight its way out, and that's how he would get out of the egg. So all birds are covered in feathers and they all lay eggs, but you don't have to fly to be a bird. So as well as these birds, you also get birds that are native to the UK. So have a little look outside and see if you can spot any birds. Here are a few of the species that we have at Knowsley Safari.